how to allow or block app permissions to access media in Apple Music on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then from the Settings page, we scroll down. Then tap on Privacy and Security. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Media in Apple Music. Now in here, if there are apps that have requested access to Apple Music, it will appear in the list here. And from the list, you can tap on the toggle button right next to each of the apps to turn it on or off. Now because I haven't have any app that requests access to Apple Music, so there is no app listed in here. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.